The Legal Advice Clinic offers free legal advice to members of the public. The work is led by students and it's supervised by a number of lecturers who are also solicitors here at the university. As a result of the legal aid cuts, people essentially can't afford to get legal representation and they're in a desperate situation. They often have nowhere else to turn.
Well, Hannah and the team, the latest students that I've been working with, have really helped to minimise the amount of stress from the whole process. The advice I've had I couldn't have got anywhere else.
The impact of the Legal Advice Clinic is twofold because you've got students who are gaining essential skills, but also clients in the local community that are benefiting massively from the work that's undertaken here. We are really an essential part of enabling the local community to access justice.